This homework assistance video is to go with Lesson 5 in Chapter 1. So the first problem number 1, says determine whether the relationship between the two quantities shown in each table are proportional by graphing on the coordinate plane. Explain your reasoning. So we've got, for week 1, the account balance was $125. For week 2, it was $150, and for week 3, it was $175. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and graph these 3 points. So we'll go week 1, weeks are on our x-axis, so we'll go to week 1, and the account balance was $125, so we'll go all the way up to $125 and put a dot right there. For week 2, it was $150, so we'll go over to week 2 and up to $150. And then for week 3 it was $175, so we'll come over to week 3, go up to $175. And since those are the 3 points, we can go ahead and draw a line through them. It's not a very straight line, but you get the idea. So then the question asks if the quantities are proportional. Well, we know they're not proportional because week 1 to 2, this doubles, and week 1 to 3, this triples. But when we go from 125 to 150, that's not doubling, and 125 to 175, that's not tripling. So we know it can't be proportional. Or if we set this up as a fraction, we've got 1 over 125 is our first ratio, and then our second ratio is 2 over 150, and if we reduce that, it equals 1 over 75. So 1 over 125 and 1 over 75 are not equal, so they are not proportional. Now let's go to number 2. We've got the same situation. We've got calories in fruit cups. 1 serving is 70 calories, 3 servings is 210 calories, and 5 servings is 350 calories. So we can go ahead and plot these. So 1 serving will go over to 1 and up to 70. So that's right about here. Go over to 3 up to 210. Over to 5 and up to 350. And then we can go ahead and draw a line through those. Again, it's not a very straight line, but it's supposed to be. And then it asks if it's proportional. Well, if we go from 1 to 3, this is tripling, and 1 to 5, that's 5 times. From 70 to 210, that's tripling, and from 70 to 350, that's multiplying by 5. So they are proportional. Or, if you like to do it in a fraction, we've got 1 over 70 3 over 210, which is the same as 1 over 70, and 5 over 350, which is the same as 1 over 70. So yes, they are proportional.